In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clipping mask effects in Canva. If you're new to graphic design or just looking to add a creative touch to your projects, this technique is both simple and effective. So let's dive right in and explore how you can elevate your designs with just a few clicks. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you haven't already set up an account, just head over to Canva's website and sign up. It's a straightforward process, and once you're logged in, you're greeted with a wide range of templates and design options. Next, let's create your design. You can either choose a specific template that fits your needs or start from scratch with a custom size. This flexibility is fantastic for tailoring the project to your exact requirements. Now it's time to upload your photo. You can use your own or browse Canva's extensive library. The choice is yours, and with Canva's diverse selection, you're sure to find something that fits your theme perfectly. After you've selected your image, click on it and look for the background remover option. Canva makes it super intuitive to remove backgrounds, which is an essential step in creating the clipping mask effect. Once you've removed the background, click on the image again and select Edit. This is where we get into customizing your image. We're going to use the duotone effect. It's located in the filter section and is perfect for this kind of work, giving your image a unique style that's often used in professional graphic design. After choosing duotone, change both the highlights and shadows to the color white. This adjustment will give your image a clean and uniform look and create the necessary contrast for the clipping mask effect. Next, navigate to the Elements section and add a square. This simple shape is going to serve as the base for your clipping mask. Place the square as the background of your image. You can adjust its size and position to ensure everything aligns perfectly. This is a critical step to ensure your design has that professional finish. Once everything looks just right, save your image as a PNG file. PNG files preserve the quality and transparency, which is crucial for the next steps. Upload the downloaded image back into Canva, then use the background remover once more. This final removal ensures our clipping mask effect is ready to take center stage. You can now drag a second image onto the page. This will serve as the new background, adding depth and layering to your design. Place this second image behind your photo by using the backward or forward options until it fits flawlessly. Finally, once you're satisfied with how it all blends together, download your completed project as a PNG. This format maintains all the vibrant colors and crisp edges of your design, perfect for showcasing your work. And there you have it, a stunning clipping mask effect right in Canva, ready to wow your audience or enhance your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.